XOXO Squad! XOXO Squad, how are you all? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go and hit it now. Today we have the boom bands. I'm so excited about them. They're into bracelets, necklace, anklets. And you guys, we can make them into a skipping rope. 9 alphabet boosters, 1 boom charm. 9 budgie boomsters, 1 boom charm. 9 boom style club boomsters, 1 boom charm. Build your dream wristband. You can swap with friends to collect them all. My favourite pack is this one. I'm going to open this one first. This is the first pack. There's over 64 characters. I love it. This one's the funniest one and it's my favourite one. Guys, I think that's going to be my sister's favourite one to go. I've got a few packets open. I'm loving them. This one's my favourite because it's rainbow. And also my silly one, which is my favourite one. It's the poo. Got the unicorn. The charm unicorn is super pretty. I love the ghosts. We've got 2 of them. They look so cool and fabulous. We've got alphabets and a star charm. Hello, strawberry guys. What? I thought strawberries were supposed to be red. Black diamond. Got a few more packets left to open. I'm going to open them to make a gigantic skipping rope. I bet it's going to be so good. And yeah, I'm going to play with the skipping rope. I'm going to see if I can do skipping ropes around myself. My favourite one is the unicorn one. I love that girl. And there's a glittery sausage dog. Loving the mascara. I've got my boom band right ready. I'm going to test it out. Let's have a look. Ooh, this is guys, this is really tricky, but I released it up. Hello guys, I'm here.